Connection of Photosynthesis and Cellular Respiration by Megan and Taylor. In the photosystems, chlorophyll is what makes them green. Here the chloroplast is pictured. In the chloroplast there are thylakoids. The thylakoids are made up of thylakoid membrane. Groups of thylakoids are called grana. In the thylakoid membrane there are two photosystems. The photosystems absorb the sunlight. E-man goes through the photosystems on the electron transport chain. E-man goes with NADPH or NADP to create NADPH. NADPH goes to the dark phase. During that, H2O splits where the oxygen goes out to the air. The hydrogen then goes into ATP synthase where ADP gets recharged, making ATP.
This process is called the dark reaction or dark phase. This process happens in the stroma, and every 2 p-gals a glucose is formed. Right here, 5 carbons are added to make CO2. The 6 C's then split into 2 3C molecules. NADPH splits, causing the NAD plus to continue on the cycle, forming 1 p-gal. The cycle continues where ATP synthase happens. The ADP is removed from the cycle and the cycles continue.
Cellular respiration. Here glucose goes into the cytoplasm where it then splits. This is called glycolysis. 1 p-gal goes through fermentation, which makes ethanol or lactate. This is an anaerobic respiration. The other p-gal goes into the mitochondria where it's added with acetyl CoA and continues in the citric acid cycle, making 36 ATP. This is the aerobic respiration.
This process is known as a Krebs cycle. The acetyl CoA then feeds into the Krebs cycle, which breaks it down further into 2 molecules of carbon dioxide. The molecules FAD and NAD are reduced to FADH2 and NADH. Now that NADH and FADH2 go into the electron transport system into the mitochondria. The electron transport system reoxidizes the NADH and FADH2 into the NAD and FAD. Now the electrons are transferred into oxygen to form water, and the stored energy is converted to ATP.